When it comes to new terrace houses, people often say there's so much you can do. The layout feels fixed and the spaces very predictable. But every once in a while, a designer dares to challenge that idea. Here, New Infinity reimagined the entire home and transformed what was usually an unused backyard from this to this.
店家就是很普通的一个排屋吧。我一开始真的是没有想到会变到这样子的 outcome。
Before we begin, a friendly reminder: if you have not clicked on that subscribe button yet, do it now and stay in the loop of more compelling design episodes. Mommy, 回家模式。Stepping inside, the house greets you with a sense of calm and surprise. It's not what you expect from a typical terrace home, but it reminds you of the warmth of a favorite cafe.
一开始给他的 brief 是讲奶油风的。我们对 design 这种东西，我跟我老婆是完全没有概念的，就是我们想要家就是舒服美就好了。
The open-plan living and dining dressed in a creamy white walls contrast beautifully with the vibrant orange, creating a contemporary visual. Inspired by the stunning visuals of the Grand Canyon, New Infinity paired a cave-textured wall with an orange ceiling, bringing the impression of carved earth and stone into this home through carefully curated handmade finishes.
我最喜欢的是就是那一幕的时候，就是每次晚上我跟我老婆 ，OK， 晚上我们在这边来 turn out， 就是那一幕的时候，就我们会在那边喝一些红酒啊这样子，因为那个 feeling 是可以讲 unexpected 的，所以我从来没有想过，我的家也会有这样子的氛围。
The dining area sits right at the heart of the home. New Infinity deliberately moved the dining area here to imbue the home with a family atmosphere. It's where the warmth of the house truly comes alive. The intention was never just to place a table in the middle, but to craft a space that envelopes around it. By adding bench seating, the designers managed to craft a spacious dining area in a narrow space. The dining is transformed into a cocoon of warmth, creating intimacy within openness. And what's truly beautiful is how the hand-picked orange hue will age well with time. As the tones deepen and soften, they tell a story that grows richer the longer the family lives within the space. A sculpture like descends in handcrafted form, casting shadows that echo a cave's depth and movement, bringing an energy to the space that feels both organic and modern. Just beside the dining area, the children have their own play space. With an elevated platform, the designers created a sense of boundary without walls. The beauty of this flooring lies in how seamless it feels. The previous floor was tiled, but after replacing it with walls nano-silk flooring, the entire space now flows seamlessly and effortlessly. Nano-silk is a modern alternative to micro-cement, similar in look and texture, but built to be more durable and lasting. At the end of the dining area stands the masterpiece of the home behind a hidden door. The designers has a way of turning even a simple powder room into a surprising space.
hidden door 就是去厕所那个 hidden door， 就是大家想不到的。然后他们一开的时候，他们会 wow 的，就是会吓到，哎，原来这里是厕所。然后而且这个厕所呢，好像 Aesop 的店一样。
Challenging the ego of practicality. In New Infinity's trademark style, the powder room is always an element of surprise. A feature wall light highlights the wall encased in handmade reeded tiles, bringing out the tactility and depth. Even in this dark space, New Infinity found a way to add light with a generous window, allowing the sunlight to pour in and wash over the interesting textures, revealing the beauty in every surface. Towards the back of the house, the transformation is even more dramatic. What was once a guest room has been completely reimagined. Several walls were hacked to create an elegant dry kitchen. By relocating the dry kitchen all the way to the back, this is a bold and unconventional change that completely transformed the space planning. A simple corridor that used to lead to the backyard has been turned into something far more meaningful. The entire kitchen is furnished in natural materials of wooden veneers, solid plywood cabinets, and tiles. Soft, earthy tones and honest materials grounds the space. Cocooned at the back of the home, this kitchen island is where the couple can enjoy breakfast without disturbing the calm of the rest of the house. Opposite, the wet kitchen sits neatly in a compact yet efficient corner. Here, the designers introduce an overhung trackless sliding door. This thoughtful detail removes the clutter of tracks while keeping the space clean and seamless. These doors also serve as a purpose beyond aesthetics, helping to contain the cooking fumes, ensuring the rest of the home remains fresh. On the first floor, a family hall doubles as a hobby space. It is a place for the young parents to read or unwind after putting the kids to bed. The laundry area has been moved to the first floor's balcony. This simple change makes daily chores easier and more convenient.
然后我觉得这个是很少人会做的一个东西啦，但是我觉得蛮方便的。就是1楼是我们的睡房，然后2楼的话是 wardrobe room， 不需要把2楼跟1楼的衣服拿下来 ground floor 去洗，然后直接就是可以在1楼那边去做完它所有的工作。
On the same floor, the master bedroom is minimalist, a space dedicated purely for rest. On the top floor, what used to be the master bedroom has been reimagined into a walk-in wardrobe and bathroom. The initial floor plan had the master bedroom all the way at the top. If we remained the master bedroom on the top, it would become a dead space as it is too tiring to walk up 2 floors directly from the entrance. But by transforming it into a walk-in wardrobe, the journey upward now feels easier after the initial stop at the master bedroom level. After some extensive hacking, the designers made a bold move to enlarge the bathroom, opening the entire floor into a private rooftop retreat.
就是当你有一个觉得很 luxury 的环境的时候，你就会特别的去 enjoy 开歌啊，然后放下 candle 啊，看一下戏啊，然后一边做 bathtub， 我觉得是一个很 enjoy me time 的一个时候。
In line with New Infinity's focus on wellness at home, the design of a curved ceiling for the bathtub and shower evokes the calm of a small cave, creating their own private bathroom sanctuary to relax after a long day. Every part of this home was shaped with an intention to bring warmth, comfort, and a sense of family warmth. What began as a typical terrace house is now a family home that feels deeply personal. As designers, we can dream boldly, but it's only when we find the right clients who share the same vision that the real magic happens. Because the greatest satisfaction and greatest outcome from design comes from realizing them together with someone who truly appreciates our craft. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture related contents, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned for more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.